Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am here with a very interesting story. The story name is Holy Rasool Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and the Birds. Before starting this story, I request you please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and also comment in comment box that how you find this story. Let's start it. In the life of our beloved Holy Rasool Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, there are many stories and incidents that happened which teach us to care for our environment, including animals, plants, and water resources. A man once came to Rasulullah Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam carrying with him his belongings and a box. He said, O Rasul Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while I was passing through a jungle, I heard the voice of some birds' babies. I took them and put them in this box. The moment I did that, their mother came fluttering around my head. Hearing that, Holy Rasul Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Put them down. When the man put the box on the ground, the mother of the young birds joined them. Seeing this, the Holy Rasul Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the man, who now had a look of surprise on his face, Are you surprised by the affection of the mother towards of his young ones? I swear, I swear by him, Almighty Allah, who has sent me, surely Allah is more loving to his servants than the mother to these young birds. Return these baby birds to the place from where you took them and let their mother be with them. Okay, kids, fear Allah with regard to animals, said the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam of Islam. Ride them when they are fit to be ridden, and get off their backs when they are tired. Surely there are rewards to being kind and gentle to animals and for giving them water to drink. Islam has taught that in the eyes of Allah, animals also have rights in the same way as man has. They should not be treated badly, tortured, or left to starve without food or water. Okay, kids, these stories end here. I hope you really enjoyed this story. Before ending this, I request you please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and also comment in comment box. I will come another very interesting story for you. Until oh, oh no, till then, Allah Hafiz.